If your sensor dry cycles are short and don't get your clothes dry, you probably need to clean the moisture sensors in your dryer. Using a soft cloth, with water, and a drop of mild soap, wipe the sensor bars clean. These are the two curved metal bars inside the drum, usually near the lint filter housing. Then wipe them dry with a towel. Double check to make sure there's no remaining moisture. Towel dry again if needed. Keeping the moisture sensors in your dryer clean ensures that the sensor dry cycle ends when your clothes are dry and not before.